In this video, I will show you how to stop screen mirroring on iPhone. To stop screen mirroring your iPhone to another device, open your control center and here just tap on screen mirroring, and here you will find the connected device where you are mirroring your screen. Just all you have to need, just tap on stop mirroring and your screen mirroring to the device will be disabled. And now to completely disable screen mirroring, you have to go to your iPhone settings app and then tap on general, and here tap on AirPlay and continuity. Tap on automatically AirPlay and here you have to select never. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.